Let's see if I have any white potatoes in this pot. So in this pot right here, I planted a sprouted or potato with eyes that was sitting on my counter. Put it in this pot a couple months ago, so let's see if there's any potatoes in here. All right, I'm doing this with one hand, so it'd be tricky. Oop. Let's kick it apart. Oh, there's a potato. One potato. Any more? Any more potatoes? Oh, another potato. Those are good sized potatoes too. Two potatoes. Three potatoes. Four. Five. Not bad, not bad. I'm impressed. I never grew potatoes before like this, so. Six. All right, again, here's the final tally. I got 6 potatoes from that one sprouted potato on the counter. Content, do me a favor and click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, everyone.